We're continuing to look at our story Soldier Girls, and today we're going to pick something to do character motivation on. So in other words, character motivation is why a character does something, and we use text evidence and we use our own thinking to support that. And so we're going to look at the second section of the story that we read yesterday, and you can click here for the copy of the book. And we're going to try and find some parts where we can talk about the character motivation. I will write one, and then you will pick a different one. And so, kind of thinking about it on this page, one of the things that Sarah does is Lucinda does is she decides to become a soldier like her sister. And Lucinda is not really cut out to be a soldier, but she decides she wants to do it anyways. And so thinking about why she does that, what is her motivation, is what I'll be writing about. But kind of continuing on, some other things that you could write about, some other actions are why did Sarah tell her that she wasn't cut out to be a soldier? You know, she kind of hurt her feelings. Why did she tell her that? Another one is why did Lucinda decide to go back and be a nurse? There were lots of reasons why she did that, but you can put a few down why she did that. So thinking about why she went back to be a nurse instead of being a soldier, or why did she decide not to be a soldier? So those are some actions that you can write about. I'm going to write about why Lucinda decided to become a soldier. So going back to Schoology, I'm going to click on this document, and I can't send it to Notability, but what I'm going to do is I am going to send it to the photo app. I'm not sure I can do that either. Okay, I decided to do it in a Google slide. You will do yours in Notability though. So the first thing I'm going to do is write the title. Soldier Girls. And so the character is Lucinda. The action that she did was Lucinda, I want to make sure and use complete sentences, decided to join the Army, the Patriot Army, as a soldier. And what was her motivation for doing that? Well, looking back on this story, it says that way she could be part of the Light for Freedom and be with her sister. So there was two reasons, but I also think that she wanted to make herself look good, because she wasn't really somebody who would do something like that, but her sister was, and maybe she admired her sister. So I'm going to use text evidence though, and I am just going to put in the text, it says that way she could be part of the Light for Freedom and be with her sister. In the text, it says that she wanted to be a part of the fight for freedom. Part of the fight for freedom and be with her sister. Actually, this is my text evidence. I'm going to put that over here. And be with her sister. Okay, she did it She joined the Army because she missed her sister and wanted to fight. So the motivation is in our own words. The prove it is the text evidence. All right, so I'm going to put this in to your document so you can use this, so you can have one as an example to look back on. But you're going to be doing your own. It could be a motivation for either Lucinda, another action that she did, or her sister, Sarah, either one. When you're done, I want you to upload a screenshot to the assignment. So whether you do it in the photo app or the Notability app, you're going to upload the screenshot to this document, to the assignment.